Alright guys, welcome back to Amazing Creative Digital Studio. So I quickly want to show you how you can download a video from Pinterest. Maybe you want to tend to download some kind of short memes. So you just head over to your Pinterest application. What you actually need to do is to click on the search button. So just click on the search button. Click on the search button, then you search for whatever you are looking for. So just enter the keyword ideas of what you are looking for. So I'll be looking for a few moments later. A few moments later, sand. I quickly want to use a few moments later for example. Is this a video? No, not a video. So we are looking for a video aspect of it. Let's research. A few moments later. A few moments later. Video, okay? So we'll be looking for something that is actually a video. A few moments later. So okay, this one is video, but we are not going to download this one. We are not going to download this one. Let's look for another type. I think this one is okay. So also it's taking us to YouTube. Okay, we'll not be using this one also. Since it is directing us to YouTube, so we don't need YouTube. We do not need YouTube video.
A few moments later. A few moments later. A few moments
now is to click on this three dotted line, horizontal line here. So click on it. Then click on the copy. Click on the copy. Once you click on the copy, then head over to your Chrome browser. Head over to your Chrome browser. Type Pinterest downloader. This is it. Pinterest video downloader. You understand? So just click on Pinterest video downloader. Once you click on it, then it will take you to. Then you click on the first site. So click on it. So then you enter your link, the link that you have just copied. Enter the link inside the search box. Enter the link inside that search box. Do you understand? So they are asking us to watch a short video. So let's look at that. It is over. So you cannot click on cancel, then enter the link of that video that you wanted to download from Pinterest. Then you click on the download. So let's wait for the video to be ready. So as you can see, this is the video. So what you need right now is to click on the download video. Click on the download video. Don't click on the download first video. Click on the download video only. Do you understand? So now this video has already been showing how we can download it. So how can you download this video now from here? So what you really needed to do from here is to click on this three horizontal line. Click on this three horizontal line. So once you click on this horizontal line, it will show us download button. So just click on it. As you can see, then you click on the download button. Click on this download. Click on the download. Do you see? So the video has successfully been downloaded. And if there's any other video that you wanted to download from Pinterest, that is the same way you will repeat. You just repeat this process to get it downloaded on your phone. Do you understand? So let's head over to our CapCut. If the video can now be picked from our CapCut. So I'm currently editing a video, so let me click on the video that I'm currently editing, and I'll be adding the short clip video. So I've already downloaded the short clip.
A few moments later.
That's how you can download the video from Pinterest. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and also share it with someone that might needed this video. I remain your friend, aka Mr. Ask. Thank you.